Have you ever wondered how artificial grass is made? It's a marvel, really. This evergreen, durable, and low-maintenance alternative to natural grass has certainly piqued the interest of many, from your neighbor with the immaculate lawn to the stadium manager overseeing a sports field. It's not just about aesthetics. Artificial grass offers practical benefits too, such as water conservation and reduced maintenance costs. This versatile turf is transforming green spaces around the world. Stay tuned to uncover the fascinating process of making artificial grass. The creation of artificial grass begins with the right raw materials. The main components of this green wonder are polyethylene, polypropylene, and nylon. Now, why these materials, you may ask? Quite simply, their unique properties make them the ideal choice. Polyethylene is known for its soft and natural feel, closely mimicking the texture of natural grass. Polypropylene provides a robust structure, giving the artificial grass its much-needed resilience. Lastly, we have nylon, the strongest of the three. It offers superior resistance to high temperatures and weight, ensuring the artificial grass can withstand even the harshest of weather conditions. All these features combine to offer a durable, weather-resistant, and long-lasting lawn solution. With the right materials in hand, the journey to becoming artificial grass begins. Now, these raw materials undergo a transformative process. Imagine a chrysalis, but instead of a butterfly, it's the creation of artificial grass that's unfolding. The raw materials are first melted down, similar to how a caterpillar liquefies before transforming. This molten substance, as fluid as honey, is then extruded through a steel plate peppered with hundreds of small holes, akin to a giant sieve. This process, believe it or not, is what forms the synthetic yarns. These yarns aren't ready just yet. They must first be cooled, a process that solidifies them into sturdy strands. Picture icicles forming on a frosty winter day, and you'll get the idea. But we're not done yet. Remember, we're trying to mimic natural grass, and to achieve this, we use a process called tufting. This involves inserting these yarns into a backing material, creating a look that's incredibly similar to the lush, verdant lawns we're all familiar with. From raw materials to synthetic yarns, the artificial grass is almost ready. But it's not grass yet without the finishing touches. Now the magic happens. A secondary backing is applied to the synthetic yarns, ensuring they're secure. This backing acts like a safety net, keeping each blade of grass in place, ready to withstand anything from a summer picnic to a soccer match. Next, it's time to add the infill materials. Here, substances like sand or rubber are introduced. This isn't just for show. These materials provide stability and a cushioning effect, mimicking the feel of natural grass underfoot. The final stage is a series of rigorous quality checks. Each roll of artificial grass is scrutinized to ensure it meets the highest standards. And there you have it. From raw materials to a perfect lawn, that's how artificial grass is made.